Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn fonts, how to grouping fonts and how we are going to apply these font families in CSS style coding to applying of paragraphs, divisions or where the text is presenting in our web page and how we can using to these fonts to making more beautification of our text. So CSS, there are two types of font families we are going to be categorizing. Generic family and a group of fonts like with the similar to look like a serif or monospace. And font family, a specific font family like Times New Roman or Arial. In this way, we are going to be categorizing. So the font family of a text set without the font family property, with the font family property, we can hold several font names like fallback system, and if the browser does not support the font is by defaultly, it will be shows on Times New Roman. So according to our requirements, we can set our font, custom fonts. So let's see one by one. I'll take a paragraphs and let's see how these font families are going to be applied in a class by creating a class and how we are going to be applying these things, we'll see. So this paragraph first I'm writing and shows like shows like Times New Roman. Times New Roman font, which is a very frequent and defaultly available in Windows operating system only. Maybe other operating system may have, you have to check with that. Why? Because actually I'm showing you this presentation of this course from Windows operating system. Yes, you may have a great font features are available in Mac OS and open source operating systems as well. So accordingly, if it is possible, you try to apply any of font styles. So this class I'm preparing for first class name I'm putting like a serif I'm putting a class name and font family, yes, font family, and here I'm putting like our font family name is Times New ROMAN, Times New Roman, and here we may put like Times serif, Times comma serif. Yeah, so save this, and this we are going to be calling as a class. So serif, serif, whatever the class name you may put, for easily understanding purpose only I am adding. So this one is the default font, which is like showing is the Times New Roman and serif fonts. So now I'm taking one more paragraph and Arial font I'll apply for sans serif. So this paragraph is shows Arial font family. Okay, so class once it is prepared, then we'll be back here and apply for sans serif. Sorry, this braces would be used, font family, and we can put our own title here, or else we can straight away we can write the fonts also. How it is possible we can do. So like first I'm writing like Arial comma Helvetica, 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 and SANS sans serif. Okay, this class I'm going to applying here CLASS class, and this one sans serif. Let's check it, save it and reload. So see, you may observe here very clearly Times New Roman how it is showing, Arial font once it is applied how it is showing. So the beautification and the differentiation you may observe very clearly here. Alright, once these two things are completed, we need to go for another one. So the another p tag is, yeah, another p tag, what it's happening, I'm sorry, p, yes, this is like paragraph, this is paragraph. Lucida console font we'll try to present here. Okay, Lucida console, SOLE, yes, COURIER, courier, and etc fonts, which is the family which is going to be presenting here. For this, what I'm trying to doing, mono space, font family, and Lucida console, like a console, we are going to presenting here by making comma courier, 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 comma monospace. These are the fonts, and these monospace class we are going to applying to. So yeah, save, reload. Yep, see, this is a paragraph Lucida console courier font family which we have written is going to be presenting here. In this way, different type of font families we can apply in our programming of CSS, and we can present this group of font family text into our like a presentation of the text over here. I hope it's very simple and easy lecture, and we'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.